Welcome back everyone to another God of War tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off hints and tutorials within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the God of War game on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are playing your game, if you wish to turn off hints and tutorials, to change your difficulty level, then simply pause the game and go into options. From here you can go into settings and then go into the gameplay menu. Inside this page, you will find the tutorial mode setting. By default, all tutorials are turned on, but you can choose the minimal option, which will reduce the amount of tutorials and hints that you are given. Enable this if you desire more of a challenge from your gameplay experience. After choosing this option, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can continue forward with your game without any hints and tutorials. And if you wish to turn this setting back on, you may once again follow the same steps. Just pause the game, go into options, and from the settings menu, inside the gameplay settings page, you may once again choose all of the tutorials to be enabled. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off hints and tutorials on the God of War game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.